Dear scholars, through the previous two videos, I have explained the four stanzas of the poem Don't Give Up. Hope you all have understood the poem. Today, through this video, I am going to explain the activities given in workshop or exercise based on this poem. Here we go with the first. Have you ever given up on something good? Share your story with your friend. Actually, this is the question based on personal response. It is whatever you have experienced that you have to write as an answer here. How the answer can be written? Let me share one of the examples with you. So what is the first half of the question? Have you ever given up on something good? So what would be the answer of this first half? It is yes or no. So I am writing yes. Yes, I have given up on something good once. Share your story with your friend. So let me share the story. What would be the next part of the lesson? Once, my friend and I were learning swimming. For the same, we had joined swimming classes. As it was the first day, we both entered into water and started learning swimming through the helper, where I was afraid of water before learning, and that fear remained in my mind, and so that I came out of water very soon. But my friend was doing the same. Then the first day is over. The first day got over. Next day we both went again, and at that time again there was a little more fear in my mind. Again we both enter into water, and same happened. I suddenly came out due to fear, but my friend was learning swimming over there. It went on for few days, and then I thought that I couldn't do it, and so I gave up a good thing, that was learning swimming. Every day I was accompanying my friend later on. He was learning swimming, and I was just watching him standing aside. Within few days only, my friend learned swimming, and at that time I was just I was just watching how skillfully he was swimming. There we had a discussion, or I had discussion with my friend about that skill, and then through the discussion that I realized that why I couldn't learn swimming, that is the fear in my mind, that is that I had given up. So if I wouldn't have given up, I too have been learning skillfully like my friend. So this is what the example I share with you. So such a type of short story you have to write your own from your own experience. Second activity, your friend fell down learning to ride a bicycle and now has given it up altogether. What do you think will be the poet's advice? Write it down. So here, what is the advice of the poem or a poet? That is simply don't give up, right? Poet says whatever problem you might be facing, whatever struggle you might be doing, poet says don't give up and learn through the failures. So I will tell my friend the message given by the poet or advice given by the poet, that is not to give up learning bicycle. I will give the example of young bird, how their wings grow stronger and how they become skillful in learning, how skillful they become in flying high after doing continuous efforts of flying. I will also tell him the example of sturdy oak tree, how it bows due to storms, but again rises and grows, becomes taller and loftier. And I will make my friend realize that after facing problems only, the person is there to learn something out of it, and the person is there to achieve the success. So the same way I will tell my friend that he or she will fall while learning, but simply after some days pass, he or she will learn balancing, handling the handle and coordinating with the paddles, and will surely within few days only learn cycling. So in this way you can write the answers of these two questions. So I have shared my own, you have to write your own answers. So I hope you will find this explanation, these answers or these examples helpful in writing the answers of these two questions or doing these two activities given in this workshop.